Did you know that there's more than one way to make money on YouTube? In today's video, we're going to dive into 7 of the best ways to make money on YouTube, even if you have a brand new channel. And welcome to Entrepreneur's Toolbox. My name is Jonathan Dunkerley, and I'm here to help you find the tools to make an income online. Most people that start on YouTube don't understand yet how to make money on the platform. Most people only think of the most obvious way to make money on YouTube, which is the YouTube Partner Program, which you need to have 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours within 1 year in order to even apply to get into the YouTube Partner Program. And then depending on what kind of channel you have and what kind of videos you have, you might get paid more or less depending on every single ad that plays on your videos. Now, this is a good goal to have, but it is by no means the best way to make money on YouTube. It takes nearly the longest out of any way that you could possibly make money on YouTube, but it is the only way that YouTube directly pays you to create content. Now, I would still strive for the YouTube Partner Program, but there are other ways to make money faster on your channel while you're working towards this goal. Now, what I feel is the easiest way to start making money on YouTube with a brand new channel would be with affiliate marketing. Now, when I talk about affiliate marketing, I'm not talking about just putting links in your description. I'm talking about actually reviewing and talking about products and giving value and helping people understand and make good buying decisions. Now, the first affiliate video that took off on this channel was about a text-to-speech software. It was a ClickBank product, and I did a review on it, as well as a couple follow-up videos that talked about different features that the software had. I was serving the audience and helping them make a good buying decision. If they wanted to buy it, they would buy it based off of what I said. And if they didn't want to, they wouldn't buy it, and I helped them make the decision not to buy it. Most people lean to try to get approved by Amazon for affiliate products, but it is really hard to get approved by Amazon as a brand new YouTube channel. You could also promote affiliate products with shorts. To do this, you would just have a call to action in your short to tell people to go to a pinned comment where your affiliate link would be. Now, the third way that you could quickly start making money with a brand new YouTube channel is by selling your own service. Think about people that might be doing a service on Fiverr or Freelancer. Those services can also be sold on things directly to consumer on your YouTube channel. Or if it's something that's related to where you live, say you have a real estate business or you have a task that you could do in person, YouTube is a search engine and people could find you on YouTube and then hire you for a local job. So if you are doing these jobs elsewhere, then think about promoting yourself on YouTube and you might get more work. If you're getting value out of this video, be sure that you smash that like button, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you get notified every time that a new video goes live. Now, the fourth one is actually my favorite one because it is email marketing. You can create something simple like a free lead magnet. And when I say a lead magnet, I mean something that's going to give your audience a quick win, something that's going to get them to the next step of their journey. And it can be the same exact journey that you just went on. The reason why email marketing is so important because YouTube or any other platform can just turn off the switch at any point. They could say, I'm going to stop sending traffic to your videos. And if they do that, say you're just promoting an affiliate product or whatever it is, you may not be able to get that traffic to those affiliate links and you won't be able to make those sales. If you have captured those emails, then you can market directly to those emails, even sending people back to your YouTube videos, making your YouTube channel more successful. There are a whole bunch of different email autoresponders. My favorite is ConvertKit, and I will drop a link to that in the description. And like I mentioned earlier, if you wanted to take YouTube Shorts and instead of promoting an affiliate link, you promote that email opt-in and you can grow your email list with YouTube Shorts. The next way to make money on YouTube is by creating your own product. Now, this could be something physical or digital. Think about it this way. If you have an email lead magnet, maybe that lead magnet is the first piece of whatever your digital product is. Maybe it's a course. Maybe that lead magnet is the first piece of that course, and you're able to expand it and give somebody an even even bigger win through a product that you created. And again, it doesn't have to be a digital product, doesn't have to be physical, whatever works for your particular brand or what you're doing. Now, the next one is another one that I really like, and it's memberships. The reason why memberships are so powerful is because it creates a closer relationship between the creator and the consumer or the audience. So you could actually have one through YouTube, or you could do one through sites like Patreon, SEARCHIE, or even Discord has an amazing membership feature where you could have everybody in one area and have different tiers. So all of those are great options, but I think that the key to any membership to be successful is more having access to the creator. Don't overthink this. It could be something super simple like extra content that you give them, or just access to them in some sort of private community. Now, for the last way to make money on YouTube, brand deals and sponsorships are a great way to make money on YouTube, and you don't have to wait until you have a large channel to do this. Think about it this way. If you started promoting a product, say you do it through affiliate marketing, or you just have your own product and you're making videos about a product, and then you reach out to those companies, there is a chance that they will say yes because you are advertising for them. If you're already promoting their products, they're more likely to make a brand deal or sponsorship for your channel. I always say, if you don't ask, the answer is already no. So I hope that you can see that there are multiple ways to monetize your YouTube channel, and no method is right or wrong. Have you started to monetize your YouTube channel yet? Let us know in the comments. If you like this video, check out this video next. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. And if you got value, be sure that you like, subscribe, and ring the bell, and I will see you in the next one.